Hello there and welcome to another one of these Lexical Lab 1 minute English videos. If you like this video, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and check out our website www.lexicallab.com to find out more about our online courses. As I think I mentioned in one of my recent videos, my daughter has been having her mock GCSE exams at school. These are like a kind of practice tests ahead of the real thing, so she can find out how she's getting on. And the exam that my daughter was particularly dreading was her mock maths exam, which she had last Friday. When she got home from school, I asked her, "Hey, how did the exam go?" And she looked pleasantly surprised and said, "Actually, it went really well, considering that I was a bag of nerves beforehand." If you say that you're a bag or a bundle of nerves, you basically mean you're very, very nervous, very, very worried. And we often use it when we're telling stories about how we felt in the past. So you might say something like, "God, I tell you, before I gave that big presentation at work, I was a bag of nerves. I had to walk around and breathe deeply in order to calm down. But in the end, I don't know what I was worried about. It all went really well." Maybe if you live somewhere like the UK, where we have fireworks on bonfire night, your pets might be a bag of nerves when all the fireworks are going off outside. It's also sometimes used to talk about whole groups of people. So maybe there's a really big football match, for example, and the team that you support were visibly very, very affected by the occasion. And you might say, "Yeah, we lost 4-1 actually. I think the occasion got to them. The whole team was a bag of nerves." And sometimes you might use it just to apologise for your own bad behaviour. When you know that you've been stressed and nervous and worried about things and that you've been on a short fuse as a result. You might end up having to apologise and saying something like, "Listen, I'm really sorry I snapped at you. I was out of order. I'm just a bag of nerves at the moment." If you've enjoyed this video, please do click the like button. Please share it on social media with your friends, your students, your colleagues, and in the comment section below, we'd love to see examples of how you might use a bag or a bundle of nerves.